Victoria's Alpine National Park, it seems very big, but it's actually quite small. It's a very small part of the Australian landscape. The alpine regions of southeastern Australia, if we take in New South Wales as well, it's a very, very small area. And these alpine plains, these areas above the tree line, are very small indeed. They've been hammered for 150 years with alpine sheep grazing and cattle grazing. They've now been also hammered by feral horses increasing at 20% a year. Large numbers of deer are coming now onto the high plains, pest plants and other pest animals. It's going to be very hard to manage these areas which are also to be heavily impacted on by climate change. Now to actually reintroduce cattle, even for a scientific trial to act against bushfires, it's just extraordinary to actually increase a damaging animal into this environment and to put very large amounts of research dollars into that, when there are far more important things to do research on, both for fire and in generally managing the pests and the invading processes in this park. These are one of Victoria's finest national parks. It's listed as a national heritage, has potential for world heritage. It's an important part of the heritage for all Australians, Indigenous Australians, for everybody. If we're to look after this, if we're to keep these fragile ecosystems for all time, for future generations, we really have to increase our resources and our expertise. We have to build our knowledge of these areas. We have to really put an effort into managing them so that we keep them. We have a responsibility to future generations to really look after this place well. We have the capacity to do that. We have the capacity to look after this place well. We're a well-resourced, well-educated community. We can do it. What we need is a government with the will to do it.